A dolphin has a warning. I know this river well.
Stop! Please listen to me. Look, a pink dolphin.
Did that dolphin talk?
Do not go that way.
I am the captain here.
Dad, please listen to her. There is danger ahead.
Maybe we should stop.
No. I know the way.
She is so pretty. Even Biscuit is scared. Please, the danger is real.
It is just a story.
Dad, the boat, it's getting away.
I see it, Rosa. We'll be fine.
But we have to hurry.
Why will it not turn?
What does that sign say?
Do not worry about it.
I cannot see ahead.
I can find the way.
No, Rosa, we can't trust that path. We'll go this way. Stay close.
Dad, look out ahead!
See? Nothing to worry about.
I will stay with you. I feel scared now.
Please slow down now.
We are almost there.
Turn back now!
Go back! It's not safe! Hurry, get back!
Hello! Nice day, friend.
He said, go back!
Stop! It is not safe.
Move aside, please.
Are you okay, Rosa? The rapids sound much closer.
We need to be careful.
It's getting louder.
What is that sound?
Danger! Turn back now!
It will not stop!
Hold on tight! Mommy, I'm scared! It's going too fast!
We're tilting. And the rocks, we're heading right for them. Hold on tight. We're snagged. Push. That boat is drifting toward the rock.
Oh no! She was right!
Hold on, everyone!
You came back for us?
Yes. Now follow me. We must guide the boat through that narrow gap. Faster now, we're almost there!
Okay, tell me where.
That way, Daddy!
Okay, hold on.
Turn left. Slow and easy.
Turning left now.
Whoa! Hold on!
What was that? The boat's shaking!
We're caught on something! Brace yourself!
Are you all right?
We are stuck fast.
Look, that boat!
I see it. Hold on.
It's heading for the rapids! We have to hurry! That boat is in danger!
They cannot hear us.
They do not know. They can't see the rapids.
Almost there.
Stop! Go back! Wait! Don't drift away! Over here! Danger! Over here! Danger! Over here! Danger!
Rosa, what do we do?
Free us! Then warn them!
Tell me. I will do it.
Dad, rock the boat with me!
Okay, Rosa, I'm rocking.
Faster, Dad, in rhythm!
It's stuck on the rock!
Oh no, what do we do?
The dolphin's helping!
Push harder!
1, 2, push!
We are free. Rosa?
Rosa, please be okay.
Hold on tight!
We're almost there! It's too close! I can't hold on!
Rosa's check-in call or warn the raft group? I have to warn them about the swollen river.
Okay, I've decided. What is it, Dad?
Tell us, please.
We're tipping! Hold on!
Help us! We're going to crash! I can't! I'm spent!
No, Rosa, with us, sweetie!
This is my fault.
Hold on tight, sweetie. We're almost through.
I'm scared, Daddy!
You must choose now.
We believe in you. Listen to the river.
Daddy, listen.
I'm listening, Rosa.
The river is singing.
I should have listened.
It is not too late.
Rosa, hear me.
Dad, I feel it.
That's my girl.
Lead us. I will follow.
Rosa, you're right. We need to stop.
Let me lead, Dad. I'll save us.
Thank you, Rosa. You saved us.
Right behind you, Rosa!
Stop! Danger ahead!
Look! A pink dolphin!
It's so beautiful!
Wow, I see it now. Amazing!
Yay! Hi, Dolphin! We did it!
That was close.
Everyone's safe.
We did it, Rosa.
Thank you so much.
Yay! Thank you! You are welcome!
Thank you, dear Rosa.
You listened. Thank you.
I will always listen now.
Come. I will show you.
Let's go into the hidden lagoon.
All right, Rosa, lead the way.
It's so beautiful.
Wow!
It is so beautiful.
What a special day.
Goodbye, kind friend.
Next, we visit Japan. Yes, it'll be so much fun.
Listening keeps us safe.
Listen. Please listen.
Danger! There is danger!
Stop. We must stop.
Agree. I agree.
Thank you, Rosa. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please follow and subscribe. See you next time.
Japan is waiting for us.
Bye-bye. Learn with us.
Bye bye, learn with us.
Bye bye, learn with us.
Bye bye, learn with us.